Say, O people of the book, come to terms common between us and you. That we worship none but God, and that we associate nothing with him, and that none of us takes others as lords besides God. And if they turn away, say, bear witness that we have submitted.
أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So today we are going to have another session. First part audios, one audio, no?
Yes.
And second part one video, inshallah. And the third part of our session we will talk about some other format.
Yes.
Okay? We talk about English language, no, or the structure or grammar, etc. So you ready for that?
Yes.
And you please listen to the audio.
Yes.
Since 2008, Barack Obama has been President of the United States of America.
What was the sentence about?
About Barack Obama.
Okay, it was about Barack Obama. And what has been informed in this sentence about Obama?
He is the president in United States of America.
Okay, since when?
2008.
Okay. African American.
African American rights.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
And one more piece of information has been shared in this sentence. What's that? And that he is African American.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Obama has represented the Democratic Party.
Very good. Representative. Clear?
Yes, sir.
He represents which party?
Democratic.
Democratic parties.
Their presidency will be coming after the George W. Bush.
Very good. Who was the president before him?
George W. Bush.
George W. Bush. Let's see. That idea it was about Barack Obama. And very simple pieces of information were given.
Yes.
Could you be able to understand?
Yes.
You understood it? Sure.
Yes.
What's about you? Gentlemen,
Yes, sir.
to some extent.
Yes, sir.
To some extent.
Yes, sir.
You understood, but one problem is there that you are still not able to reproduce the piece of information given in the idiom.
Yes.
Or over there, whatever that is. Videos there, whatever the data is there. So if I request you the people that let me know about the result, honestly, your result of listening to the audio, please, where do you fall?
Sir, my listening result is improved.
It is improving.
Yes, sir.
You reckon or you think that it is improving as the time is passing.
Possible, yes, sir.
Do you listen to the audio which I have given you?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Sure, sir.
You are listening to these audios regularly.
Yes, sir. Right, sir.
What do you think about you? You are improving
Yes, sir. Later.
to some extent
Yes.
now. You are also regular now in listening to these audios. Okay. What do you say about yourself?
Yes, sir. I am improving.
You are improving.
Yeah.
So I request you the people to please keep listening to these
Yes.
audios. You have that they are hundreds now in number. On different topics. Even the first topic, daily life,
Yes.
they are 77. And like that, even there are 100 people lives.
Yes, sir.
100 lakh. And so many other audios I have given. So please keep listening to them. Keep listening to them. So let's move now to the next topic. The next topic, it has been throughout our sessions that we love to watch video, and especially the video of Mr. Tandon.
Yes, sir.
So we did it, 50% of this video it was done yesterday, and the remaining 50% we are going to attempt today. So you are ready for that?
Yes, sir.
Please, this part we did it.
Yes.
I'm just playing it for you so that you can refresh your memories. Watch it and try to understand. Any question is there, that is most welcome. as the repetition or revision is over, after that I'll pause it and I'll keep asking questions. This is the topic we are going to understand today, we are going to learn today, we are going to discuss today. Response, positive or negative?
Negative.
How to respond to it?
Yes.
No. Positive you have done, no?
Yes, sir.
Positive, no? No is a negative. What?
I am not too good.
I'm a bit down.
I am very down.
Very good.
I'm not okay.
I am not okay.
I don't feel good.
I don't feel good.
I'm feeling a little unhappy.
I am feeling a little bit happy.
I'm feeling
Little bit unhappy.
very good.
Things are not good right now.
Things are good, not right now.
Things are
Things
not
are not good. Things are not okay. Things are not well. Clear?
It could be better.
It could be better.
I couldn't be bad. It could be bad. Point is clear?
Yes.
Not too good.
Not too good.
Not too good. Not too good.
Too
Not too good.
Too
That was not too bad.
Yes.
Clear?
I've had better days.
I had better days. I had,
Yes.
not now I have. I had better days, and those better days have gone.
Yes.
No, I don't have. No, those days. Clear? I had better days.
I feel down in the dumps.
I feel down
in the dumps.
in the dumps very.
I have a bad mood today.
I have a bad mood today.
Examples of a negative reply. How are you today? I'm not too good. I'm a bit down. I'm not okay. I don't feel good. I'm feeling a little unhappy. Things are not good right now. It could be better. Not too good. I've had better days. I feel down in the dumps. I have a bad mood today.
How are you today?
I feel not better.
I feel
Not
not
better.
better.
I am not good.
I'm not good.
I'm not okay.
I'm not okay.
I could be better.
I could be better.
I had bad days.
I had better days.
I am not feeling well.
I'm not feeling well.
I am unhappy.
I'm unhappy.
I drop.
No problem. Please.
I had better days.
I had better days. Okay.
I am not too good.
I'm not too very. When you hear some good news,
Yes, sir.
what do you say?
Oh, this is interesting news.
Interesting news, okay. When you listen to good news, what do you say in that particular situation?
Wonderful.
Wonderful. Nice.
It's too good.
It's too good. Oh, you got the job.
That's incredible.
Very good. The appointment letter has been issued. The appointment letter has been issued. Has been sent. Has been posted.
That's incredible.
Oh, your cousin has got the job.
That's incredible.
Clear. You know, your result has been declared and you got 8 bands.
Oh, I don't believe so.
Clear. पता ना अपने लिए कमाल की Wow. That's
wonderful news.
Wonderful news.
Yes.
The great man has qualified. I don't believe it.
Yes.
That's great.
Yes.
This is not format number?
Third C.
Okay. Module number 2 and format number 3. We did know format number 2 yesterday,
Yes.
and format number 1 was done no day before yesterday.
Yes, sir.
So you ready for that?
Yes, sir. Ready, sir.
This is so simple. If I ask you the question that what do you do during this class, please.
What?
What do you do? What do you do during the class, during the session?
I learn different things.
You learn different things,
Yes, sir.
which means that the different things are done in the class. Clear?
Yes.
As he says that he does different things during the class,
Yes.
which means that the different things are done in the class. What do you do during the class?
I learn English.
You learn English. What does it mean?
English is learned.
Where, when, where?
English learned at Silla.
Which means that, so say like that, no, or it means that English is learned
at Silla.
during the class, in this class. Clear? What do you do?
I correct my mistakes.
You correct your mistakes. What does it mean?
Mistake is correct.
What does it mean? It means that इसका मतलब फिर ये हुआ
Yes, sir.
that the mistakes are corrected. कि गलतियों की इस्लाह की जाती है.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes.
I teach English. मैं इंग्लिश पढ़ाता हूँ. It means that इसका मतलब फिर ये हुआ that English is taught. English पढ़ाई जाती है.
Yes, sir.
I steal the things, which means that the things are stolen.
Yes, sir.
I switch on the lights,
Lights are
which means that the lights are switched on. Points clear?
Yes.
What do you do at home, at your respective home? What do you do?
I read newspaper. English
Once
newspaper.
again, wait. Just take it easy, take it easy. What do you do at home?
I read English newspaper.
You read the English newspaper at home.
Yes.
Gee, what does it mean?
English newspaper.
यार क्यों नहीं कहते यार क्यों नहीं कहते कितना आसान सा है it means that the English newspaper is read at Mr. Shahnawaz's home. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि शाहनवाज के घर में इंग्लिश अखबार पढ़ा जाता है. No point clear now?
Yes.
Please.
I read books.
You read
English books.
the English books. You read the English books. No, at your home.
Yes.
Gee.
It means that the English books are read at his home.
Very good. But not its mean. It means I mean. मेरा मतलब है ठीक. You mean आपका मतलब है कि ये लिख दिया जाए. शाहनवाज means शाहनवाज का मतलब है कि ये clear?
Okay, sir.
And it means यानी इस जुमले का मतलब ये है.
Yes.
इस बात का मतलब ये है. इस स्टेटमेंट का मतलब ये. Clear?
Yes.
It means that the English books are read at Usman Ali's home. इसका मतलब ये है कि उस्मान अली के घर में इंग्लिश किताबें पढ़ी जाती हैं. Please.
I play chess at home, in his home, in my home.
At my home.
Right.
You play chess at your home.
Yes, sir.
In my house. No, let me know. At your home or in your house?
Home.
Okay, at your home. At your home.
It means that the you are saying some game chess.
He plays chess at his home.
It mean that chess.
It means that.
Very good.
Yes, sir. Yes. It means that chess it is played at this home.
आप क्यों डरते क्यों हो? क्यों कंफ्यूज हो जाते हो यार? क्यों? पता नहीं, इतनी सादा सी बात है. देखो ना, बड़ी सादा सी बात है. It means that.
Yes, sir.
It means that. बात खत्म हो गई. इन्होंने क्या कहा? Chess. chess is played.
Yes, sir.
वो chess खेली जाती है जी, नहीं बात समझी? It means that chess is played
Yes, sir.
at Mr. Mohsin's home.
Yes, sir.
जी प्लीज, लेकिन वो आपकी बारी है, आपकी बारी है, नहीं आपकी बारी जी.
It means that chess is played at home.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Whenever you visit the market, you people, I'm sure you visit the market.
Yes, sir.
Whenever you visit the market, what do you do over there?
I purchase different things.
Very good. You purchase different things.
Yes.
Ji.
It means that different things are purchased
Okay.
from market.
From the market. Now it means that the different things are purchased from the markets.
Yes.
When he visits the market. When he visits the market. So don't skip any piece of information. Please, what's about you? When you visit the market, what do you do over there?
I buy a gift.
You buy
A,
a gift when you visit the market.
Yes.
Okay.
It means that a gift is bought when he visits the market.
Very good. It means that a gift is bought when Mr. Usman Ali visits the market. The class is over. In next few minutes, as the class is over, where will you go to?
I will go to the home.
You will go your home.
I will go.
You will go your home.
I will go to the
You will go your home. What will you do at your home? What will you do at your home?
I will change my dress.
Very good. You will change your dress. When you go back your home, you will change your dress. What does it mean?
It means dress are. It means that dress are changed. Dress is changed.
Dressed will be changed.
Very good. It means that the dress will be changed. No, when he goes back home. Clear?
Yes.
As he reaches back his home, what will be done? The dress will be changed.
Yes.
No, clear?
Yes.
What will you do?
I will eat food.
You will eat food.
Yes, sir.
No, when you go back your home, when you reach back your home, when you return your home,
Yes.
no, you will eat food.
Yes, sir.
Please.
It means that food will be eaten
Okay.
when it goes back.
Very good. It means that food will be eaten when he reaches back home. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि खाना खाया जाएगा जब ये घर पहुंचेंगे. What's about you?
I will offer the prayer.
You will offer the prayers.
Asr prayer.
Asr prayers. You will offer the Asr prayers. Okay. Ji.
It means that the prayer will be offered
Okay.
when he goes back to the home.
When he goes back his home. Very good. It means that the Asr prayers will be offered when he goes back home, when he returns his home, when he reaches back his home.
Yes.
Clear? And what will you do in the next class?
I will read the format number 4.
Very good. You will read the format number 4. What does it mean?
It means that
The format number 4 will be read,
Yes.
will be understood,
Yes.
will be learned, will be discussed.
yes, sir.
When he attends the next class, when he attends the next class, or you can say the next day, in the next class,
Yes, sir.
in the very next class. Now clear? What will you do in the very next class?
I learn English.
You will learn English.
Yes, sir.
What does it mean?
It means that
कितने मैडम?
No, sir.
हाँ जी.
mm,
It means that English will be learned.
English will
When
he
he attends the next
Next
class.
class.
When he comes to next class. Clear?
yes
Sure.
yes
What will you do in the next
I
class?
will watch the English video.
You will watch the English video. You will watch the English video. जी सुने ना? What does it mean?
It means that
It's the जान ना छोड़नी. तो सब नहीं छोड़नी. तो गड़बड़ ना पक्का निकाल.
it means that the English video will be watched when he comes back at Silla.
Very good. It means that the English video will be watched when he comes to Sela again, the next time. When he comes to Sela next time.
Yes.
Please, what will you do in the next class? I will talk about my interview. जी.
I will talk about
ये तो मैंने सैलरी का
I will talk about my 90th class.
ये तो मैंने ये तो talk I talk about my
I will listen the
what will you do in the next class?
I will share the experience of
My test. Hey, वो सोई आ रही है लेकिन really beautiful sentence, meaningful. The lonely it means that his experience, it means that his experience of the test, his experience of the test will be shared, no, in the very next class. Clear? When he attends the next class, which is on Monday, because he has no excuse already. See, today's format. Frankly, let me know. You know, during last 37 minutes, we have spent, 37 minutes. We have spent 37 minutes. What was done? What was done during last 37 minutes? What was done? Clear or not?
We revised the previous lesson.
Very good. We revised the previous lesson. My question wasn't, what did you do? My question was very simple. What was done? The previous lessons were revised.
Yes, sir.
What was done during last 37 minutes? What was done? The previous lessons were revised. Please.
The previous lesson was revised.
What else was done?
Sentence are made.
Sentence was made.
Sentence
Different sentences were made. Coined, C-O-I-N, coined,
Yes, sir.
constituted,
Yes, sir.
clear, framed, shared. Please,
Question were asked.
the questions were asked during last 37 minutes.
English was learned.
English was learned.
Yes, sir.
English was spoken.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
English communication skill. What was done with it? Was developed.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Please.
Audio was listened.
Audio, very good. No, an audio lesson was listened to. Ji.
Example was given.
Very good. Examples, different examples were given.
Yes.
Very good.
Answer were
The answers were given. The answers were appreciated. When the answer is good, we say, well done, appreciated.
Mistakes are corrected.
Very good. The mistakes were corrected. Very good. Mistakes were made and mistakes were corrected. Ji.
Video were what?
Very good. Mr. Duncan's video video. Mr. Duncan's video was watched. Very good.
Some jokes was shared.
Very good. Some practical jokes were shared. Practical jokes. Ji, please.
Paragraph was
Read. Very good. No, a paragraph about Barack Obama was read. Very good. No.
New examples are was discussed.
New examples were discussed, were given. Clear? Very good. No. See, let me know. You spent, your last Sunday, Where did you spend that Sunday, the last Sunday? At home or somewhere else? Where did you spend that Sunday?
I spent my last Sunday at my village.
Very good, at your village, Talk. You spent your last Sunday at Talk, the name of your village.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
I spent my last Sunday at home.
Very good, you spent your last Sunday at your home.
Yes.
Means
Yes.
Jandawala or here Joraba?
Here,
Joraba house, okay?
I was spent last Sunday at my home.
Once again?
I spent last Sunday at my home.
Very good. You spent your last Sunday at your home, in your house, and at your home, at your village, over there in Talk. See, let me know what was done over there, wherever you are. You are at Talk, what was done over there? You are in your house, what was done over there? You are at your home, what was done last Sunday? Please.
TV was watched.
TV was watched.
Yes, sir.
Which program was watched?
ARY News.
ARY News channel was watched, no? And what kind of programs or which programs were watched? Name of the programs.
11th hour.
11th or no by Wasim Balrami
Yes, sir.
was watched.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please.
Sir, our ideas was discussed
Which idea was discussed?
about the sir, IDs.
Very good. No, different ideas or different ideas about the proper preparation for the IELTS were discussed.
Yes, sir.
Who was there with you?
Sir, my cousin will.
Very good. The ideas about the IELTS test were discussed with your cousin. Okay, please.
Books were read.
Which books were read?
English.
The English books were read, and what was that derived from the books? What was taken from the books?
Lot of information.
Very good. Lot of information was gained. New ideas were taken.
Different topics.
Clear. The guidance was sought. Clear.
Yes.
Absolutely right. The vocabulary was expanded, polished, enriched. Very good. Or enhanced. Good. Ji.
Home was cleaned.
Very good. The whole house, the home was cleaned thoroughly.
Yes.
How? Thoroughly, completely. Okay, please.
Food was eaten.
Food was eaten. Which food was eaten?
Sir,
बड़ी अगर सच्ची गल होगी तो नठा नहीं है ये उन्हें बड़ा ये रट्टे लेने रहते थे भी सारे यार कितनी सादा सी बात है यार गाल की तनके की कीता गया गाल
Yes, sir.
और टुकर पर निकाल दी बुक रहे हो जान ओके जी
yes, sir.
ब्रेड ये अंग्रेजी नहीं होती तो दाल ना देनी पल्सेस अच्छा पल्स आ दें दाल जी अच्छा जी सब्जी वेजिटेबल आ दें जी
Yes, sir.
बकरे के गोश्त मटन आ दें जी गां के गोश्त बीफ आ दें जी
Yes, sir.
ते कुकड़े के गोश्त चिकन ये हो गया मसला बना था प्लीज
You are saying right. Sir, I was bread was eaten.
Very good. Bread was eaten. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Allah Almighty was thanked for that.
Yes.
Allah Almighty was thanked for that food. He is the provider. Please,
Games were played.
the games were. Which game was played?
Different games.
Okay. For example,
For
one shut up.
badminton, sir.
Badminton was
Yes,
played.
sir.
Okay.
And cricket.
Cricket was also
Yes,
played. What else?
And computer games.
Computer games.
Yes.
Okay. Different games
Yes,
were
sir.
played as well.
Yes.
The computer games.
Yes.
Okay. Please.
The roads were constructed.
The road was constructed. Talking about that road, no?
Yes.
Outside the town, outside the village. Are they?
Talk to Peshawar.
Only that was constructed, no?
Yes, sir.
On Sunday it was constructed.
Yes, sir. Continuous construction.
नहीं फिर तो गलत हो गया नहीं फिर ये तो मैं समझ गया था ये तो मैं वो हमने पढ़ना है कि वो हमारा लेसन नंबर 6 है. What was being done? The road was being constructed.
Okay.
सड़क बनाई जा रही थी. गल समझाई? Imran Khan was being criticized badly by those rajas. Now Imran Khan को बुरी तरह criticize किया जा रहा था. Nawaz Sharif was being worshipped. Nawaz Sharif की पूजा की जा रही थी.
Yes.
Imran Khan was being condemned. इमरान पे लानतें भेजी जा रही थी. And Nawaz Sharif was being worshipped. और नवाज शरीफ की पूजा की जा रही थी.
Yes, sir.
गल समझ आ गया?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा जी, प्लीज. What was, देखिए मोहसिन बेटा, what was done? जी, किया क्या गया? हाँ, ये कह सकते हो, the construction of the road was appreciated. रोड की कंस्ट्रक्शन जो है, जिस तरह वो बनाई जा रही थी, ये कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ दिस आइडिया वाज अप्रिशिएटेड. कंस्ट्रक्शन वाज अप्रिशिएटेड. उसे अप्रिशिएट किया गया. वाज डिसलाइक, नापसंद किया गया. जिसके साथ मिलावट सारे या सारे एक हफ्ता उसने करना है. अगर अच्छी बनी तो वाज अप्रिशिएटेड. क्लियर जी.
Internet.
वाज सर्व्ड.
Yes.
And what was downloaded?
Sir, I was downloaded.
I was downloaded. तुसी नेट पे तो ध्यान से डाउनलोड कर लो नेट पे. I was downloaded. Astaghfirullah. Please forgive these people. They're so innocent. जी.
Sir.
English movies were downloaded, or some English movie was downloaded. Clear?
Yes.
And a very important file containing the IELTS data was downloaded.
Yes.